Hello guys, these are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. Remember, don't be afraid to be great. In the page 224, we got look at the formal letter on page 222 and fill in the table below. And you got an example here. Audience, it is addressed to all those who live on Elm Street. Next to that, we got analyze the structure of the letter, order it apart by writing numbers from 1 to 7. And we got an example here. Number 1, paragraphs with important information on the topic date. Next to that, you're going to write a list of suggestions that you can give your own neighbors to protect the environment. In your portfolio or your notebook, you're going to write a formal letter to your neighbors using the suggestions you wrote with the letter on page 222 as a model, and take a look at the parts of a letter on this page. Think how you can adapt your writing to your audience and purpose. Use some vocabulary words and grammar structures of the unit. In the page 225, we got vocabulary builder. Listen to the vocabulary list again and repeat with your best pronunciation and intonation. Write vocabulary words that rhyme with the following ones. And we got an example here. Number 1, later, rather. Next, use the number code to decipher the hidden message. And you got an example here, traffic. Next to that, all the consonants have been taken out of the following vocabulary words. Try to complete them without looking at the vocabulary list. And we got an example here, fuel. In the page 226, we got listening. Listen to the advertising track 28. Circle the correct answer. Number 1, what kind of information does the advertising provide? A, recommendation for the use of an electric bike. B, information to convince the listener to buy an electric bike. And C, a short analysis of the benefits and drawbacks of an electric bike. And the answer is B. Next, listen to the presentation track 29, circle the best title for it. And we got 3 titles. Number 1, a destruction of an ecosystem. Number 2, saying goodbye to being a vegetarian. And number 3, the world without bees. Next, we got listen to the presentation again. Decide if each of the following statements is true or false. Number 1, the presentation is made by the teacher. False. Next to that, we got listen to track 28 again. Check the characteristic of electric bikes mentioned. And we got they are very cheap, they allow you to zip along any street very quickly, they don't use gas. There are many attractive designs to choose from. It's an eco-friendly vehicle. Unfortunately, its battery is very small, so it's not very powerful. And we got check the second one. And for finish this page, you got self-assessment learning to learn. Do I usually read the question before listening to the tracks, or do I do it after having heard the information, and why? That's all for this week, guys. Take care and remember, stay at home. Be the reason someone smiles. Goodbye, guys.